In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a co-host on Airbnb. If you're new to co-hosting idea, basically Airbnb released this tool back in 2016, which was a game changer. Co-hosting allows anyone to access your listing. So bear in mind, it is a listing level sharing. It's not an account level sharing. So if you have multiple listings, multiple properties on Airbnb, you can share only one property at a time with a co-host. So someone you trust, it can be a friend, it can be a professional co-host helping you managing your property on Airbnb. To add them to a listing, you will need their email ID, which they use on Airbnb. Once you have the email ID of the person you want to add a co host to your listing, you will need to log into Airbnb hosting dashboard. You can directly go to airbnb.com/hosting. And then once you are on your Airbnb dashboard, you can click on the listings. Once the listings are loaded, you can choose the listing which you want to add the person to. For example, let me just go down to a listing which I can demonstrate well for you. So let me choose this listing. Right. So once the listing is open, you will need to go into the co-hosts tab, which is the last tab on the listing page. Once you're in this tab, you will see the first option is to invite a friend. You click on invite a friend, and that will give you a pop-up where you can enter the email ID of the person you want to invite. Before you can send the invite, you will need to click I agree to the co-host terms of service, and then you just need to click on invite button. This will send a notification to the person. If they are using a phone app, they will get a notification on the phone app and also an email. They will just need to click on accept button, and straight after that, they will be able to see everything on your listing. But bear in mind, co-hosting doesn't, it still protects your data. They won't be able to see your financial details, your bank account information, taxpayer information, but they will be able to do everything with your reservations, like changing a reservation, making modifications to a listing, making changes to your calendar, repricing, availability, so many other things they will be able to do. They will be able to message the guests on your behalf. So yeah, that's all about co-hosting and how you can add someone as a co-host on Airbnb. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more about Airbnb tips. Cheers. Bye-bye.